Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can adjust balance on wallet, but first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So first open the app, and after that at the home page you can see below your cash the adjust balance. Click on that and you can set a balance. How much cash do you have? If, for example, if you have got money from somewhere and you want to introduce to this app that amount of money, you can change your cash balance. Let's type in insert, and you can see that right now it's $7,000. So this is how you can adjust balance. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye bye.